In the video, you can see that no matter how beautiful a house is, if its railings are not beautiful, they look very unappealing. Therefore, today we are showing you new information about wooden railings. Watch the video. You can see a wonderful way to round the corners of the wooden railings being made. And you can see how beautiful and impressive the stairs look. The video shows the process of shaping a wooden handrail for a staircase using an electric planer. Electric planer. A person is using an electric planer to smooth and shape the wooden handrail, creating wood shavings that accumulate on the stairs. Wooden handrail and balusters. The handrail is part of a wooden staircase with visible balusters, vertical supports, and newel posts, larger posts at the ends or turns of the handrail. Staircase construction. The scene suggests the construction or renovation of a wooden staircase, with tools like a hammer visible on the lower steps. The image displays a staircase with a wooden railing. Railing material. The railing is made of wood, featuring a warm brown tone and turned balusters. Staircase design. The staircase itself appears to be made of granite or a similar stone with a speckled pattern. Architectural style. The design elements suggest a traditional or classic architectural style, emphasizing craftsmanship and natural materials. Safety feature. The wooden handrail provides a safety feature for users ascending or descending the stairs. Watch with me this wonderful idea that may help you in the field of modern carpentry. The best wooden furniture, impressive work, and tips and tricks, innovative ideas. Our page promotes creativity and innovation and showcase you with the best content about creative crafts and innovative items manufacturing. Enjoy the content and share your opinions with us through comments. Visit the page. Such innovative ideas are on our page. If you like the video, please like the video, comment, and follow the page. Thank you.